Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all my students of class 7A. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. My name is Miss Noreen and I will teach you science online. First of all, I inform you that I already discussed unit number 12 heat in previous lecture, and in previous lecture we discussed the following topics of this chapter. For example, we discuss also heat. Heat is a form of energy. Its different kinds, temperature, its definition, different types of temperature, measurement of temperature. We also discussed in previous lecture. Thermometer, what is thermometer? Different types of thermometer and different chemicals like alcohol and mercury are generally used in making of thermometer. We already discussed all these topics in my previous lecture. Why we use mercury in thermometer, we already discussed reasons of this. And next, temperature scale, we also discussed in my previous lecture. There are two types of scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. We already discussed this topic in my previous lecture. Now we continue unit number 12 heat, and we start next topic of this chapter. Today I will start next topic of unit number 12 heat, that is unit of heat. What is unit of heat? For measurement of heat, we use different unit. It is called unit of heat. There are three main unit of heat that is used to measure heat. Number 1, calorie. Number 1, calorie. Number 2, kilocalorie. And number 3, joule. There are three unit of heat. Number 1, calorie. Number 2, kilocalorie. And number 3, joule. First of all, we discuss here what is calorie. We can define calorie. The calorie is defined as the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. It means that when we give temperature 1 degree Celsius, टेम्परेचर कितना होना चाहिए 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. जब हम 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर राइज कर रहे हैं, किसके लिए? वाटर को बॉयल करने के लिए. वाटर कितना है? 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर है. 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर टेम्परेचर कितना राइज कर रहे हैं हम? 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. C stand for Celsius, डिग्री सेल्सियस. 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर राइज कर रहे हैं और 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर के लिए. सो 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर 1 degree Celsius of temperature rise, in which how much amount of heat is required. This amount of heat is called calorie. Now we describe again. To rise the temperature of 1 degree Celsius of 1 gram of water, the maximum amount of heat is required. This amount of heat is called calorie. Next, kilocalorie. It is second unit of heat, kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories. Now we can define as kilocalorie. Kilocalorie is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of water through 1 degree Celsius. What is kilocalorie? In which temperature is required 1 degree Celsius, while water, the amount of water is 1 kg. In above definition, calorie, the amount of water 1 gram. In the definition of calorie, the amount of water 1 gram is required to rise the temperature of 1 degree Celsius, while in kilocalorie 1 kg यानी कि 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ वाटर हीट थ्रू 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. टेम्परेचर कितना है यहाँ पे 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. वेट ऑफ वाटर कितना है 1 kg है. ठीक है, हम टेम्परेचर राइज कर रहे हैं कितना 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर राइज कर रहे हैं 1 kg ऑफ वाटर को हीट करने के लिए. तो मैक्सिमम हीट, अमाउंट ऑफ हीट जो रिक्वायर्ड होगी हमें इस प्रोसेस के लिए वो क्या कहलाएगी? किलो कैलोरी. सो वी कैन डिफाइन एज व्हाट इज किलो कैलोरी. किलो कैलोरी इज द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू राइज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 1 kg ऑफ वाटर through 1 degree Celsius. It is called kilocalorie. It is second unit of heat. Now we discuss third unit of heat, that is joule. It is third unit of heat. It is used, the symbol of the joule is J. It is abbreviated as J. The joule is accepted internationally. Okay, and 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. Joule is the international unit to measure the heat. Okay, and its abbreviation is capital J. And 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. So students, I hope you understand this topic. How many units of heat? There are 3 units of heat. Number 1 calorie, number 2 kilocalorie, and number 3 joule. Okay, and this all definition we discuss here. I hope students you understand this topic. Now we move our next topic, and this is mentioned on page number, it is mentioned on page number 128 in your book. On page number 128 a table is mentioned. In this table different substances are present, and also write their specific heat. For example, first substance is water. What is the specific heat of water? 1 kilo per gram degree Celsius. 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Okay. Second substance is lead. What is the specific heat of lead? 0.03 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Third substance is copper. What is the specific heat of copper? 0.09 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Number 4, zinc. What is the specific heat of zinc? 0.09 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Next, iron. The specific heat of iron is 0.11 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Next, ice. What is the specific heat of ice? 0.05 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Next, aluminium. The specific heat of aluminium is 0.21 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Next, kerosene oil. The specific heat of kerosene oil is 0.51 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Alcohol. The specific heat of alcohol is 0.58 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal and it is used in the manufacturing of thermometer. We have already discussed in previous lecture. The specific heat of mercury is 0.03 calorie per gram degree Celsius. First of all, students, we discuss here what is specific heat. Specific heat क्या होती है? We can define this and then we study their units. CL stand for calorie, per G stand for gram, degree Celsius, C stand for Celsius. We can read it calorie per gram degree Celsius. Okay, students, first of all, we define specific heat. What is the specific heat? The specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of the substance to 1 degree Celsius. Here, substance, what is the weight of the substance? 1 gram. When we heat 1 gram of the substance and rise its temperature to 1 degree Celsius, so the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 degree Celsius of 1 gram of substance, this amount of heat is called specific heat. We already discussed here again. What is specific heat? The amount of heat required. जितनी amount of heat हमें required होगी 1 gram of substance को heat करने के लिए, ठीक है? The amount of heat required 1 gram of substance को हीट करने के लिए, सब्सटेंस कितना वेट होना चाहिए सब्सटेंस का? 1 ग्राम. 1 ग्राम सब्सटेंस को हम हीट कर रहे हैं, जितने अमाउंट ऑफ हीट हमें रिक्वायर्ड है, और टेम्परेचर कितना प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं हम इसका? 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है. 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर हमने इसका राइज कर दिया. 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर राइज करने के बाद हमें जितने अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड है 1 ग्राम सब्सटेंस को हीट करने के लिए, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज कॉल्ड स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. ओके, नाउ in second paragraph we discuss here unit of specific heat. Specific heat is measured in unit calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Okay, CAL stand for calorie, per it is per calorie, per G stand for gram, and C degree Celsius. We can read it calorie per gram degree Celsius. Okay, it is first unit of specific heat. Specific heat is measured and another unit, it is called kilocalorie per kilogram per degree Celsius. It can be write in short form as capital K stand for kilo, CAL stand for calorie, per kg stand for kilogram, C degree C stand for degree Celsius. So we can read it calorie, K kilocalorie, calorie, kilocalorie. K stand for kilo, CAL stand for calorie. Kilocalorie per किलोग्राम, kg किलोग्राम, ठीक है, kg स्टैंड फॉर किलोग्राम. किलो कैलोरी पर किलोग्राम degree Celsius. We can read again